Hey, so what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be making a natural oil-based hairspray, man. I see a similar video online, but they didn't go into much depth, so I done a bit of research and I thought, oh yeah, let me try my own. So yeah, things that you need is olive oil, 2 avocados, a grater, a container, a bottle, and a measuring jug, and a carrot. And I'm gonna throw some aloe vera in there, and I'll be putting a few drops of tea tree in my mix. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by grating the carrot into the pan. I'm gonna speed up the vid, so you gotta watch me grating a bloody carrot for about 5 hours. Okay guys, so I'm done grating the carrot now. Damn, carrots are tough. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to be a vegan. I don't know. Seems challenging, man. What's people's thoughts on being a vegan? I see the benefits from it though, but the way the brain's been programmed is crazy. So yeah, finish with that now. Then I'm gonna just add my avocados. And then just scoop out the inside of the avocado. Add it to the mixture. Yeah, lost half the bloody avocado there, look. So yeah, I'm just gonna add both avocados to the mix. Yeah, now I'm just gonna add my aloe vera. I'm just gonna use a whole big piece of aloe vera. For why not? Aloe vera is some amazing plant, man. The health benefits from it is sick. I don't actually know how to cut an aloe vera. Is there a certain way you're meant to cut aloe vera? Oh, look. I think we found it. We got it, guys. We got it. Yes, I managed to just cut a big chunk out of it. Wow. So that's what the inside of bloody aloe vera looks like. It looks crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna pop that in and do the same to the other side. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna add my oil into this now. My container's 300 ml, so try to measure how much oil is to your container that you're gonna keep your mixture in. I'm just gonna add a few drops of tea tree in there. Yeah. So let add more oil, more oil. So get that oil put in there. Am I boiling it? No, I'm not really. Yeah, so 300. And I'm just gonna add the oil to my mixture. I also added some some chia seeds to the mix as well. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put that on a medium simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I will check on it after them 20 minutes. So guys, this is the magic concoction. I put it on the low simmer, number one. Had to heat it up and then reduce the heat. Had some minor obstacles in the way already, but you know, still pushing through and stuff. But yeah, it's going well. So I'm gonna just leave this here for 20 minutes and check on it. Then yeah. Okay, so guys, that's been on for 20 minutes now. I'm just gonna take it off the heat and pop it to one side, and then I'll come back to it and then I'll drain it. So just gonna let it cool down. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna transfer this into there. Okay guys, so I managed to get into the bloody, what's it bloody called? The jug with no difficulty, so that's really good, man. Yeah, let me just transfer it over here. So now the mixture will have all the goodness from the aloe vera and the avocado in there. So I'm going to test this out once I transfer it. So yeah, that's the final result. So it's all bottled. It looks much better, the colour wise, than what I thought it would be. I thought it would be yellowy, but it's kind of greeny. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, I'll be testing this out in a minute. So yeah, I sprayed my hair with the oil, and yeah, I seem to like it, man. But I think it's more for the roots, so I'm gonna test it out for a few weeks on the roots mainly, like when I get a bit of growth and all that. So yeah, just in my local park. It's 32 degrees in England today. Whoa, that's a first to Ross Clark. But yeah, man, if you like the video, guys, like and subscribe. If you've got any tips or information, hit them in the comments below. Oh yeah, just wanted to say, guys, the spray bottle seems to just squirt out and it don't spray. So I'm going to be transferring it into like a squeezy bottle, so I can squeeze it on my hand, rub it in. Yeah, guys, so wherever you're at, enjoy your day, man. Spreading love and light and that positive energy. Summertime 19. But yeah, I'll be doing some more short vids soon. I'm going to be doing one on natural shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man, so I just transferred it over to a pour bottle. The pour hole's not too big. You can use baby oil is a good pot to use as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this for the next couple of weeks and see how it goes, man. Yeah.